So I have this nifty little trick to share with you guys today for removing the film off of plexiglass that you are about to frame. It's going to make framing your artwork so much easier, especially the frames that come with the plexiglass with the film. Now this tip is from Danksy Art, so shout out to Danksy. Thank you so much for commenting on my previous video and sharing this tip because it works amazingly well. You can see the plexiglass here. Now normally if you do it just the traditional way, you're just digging your fingernails in here and you're hoping eventually to get an edge and get it off of there, but that can take a bit of time. And so here's the hack. You just need some tape. And you stick the tape to the corner and it pulls it right off. And then you just use the other part of the tape, stick it to the corner on the other side, pulls it right off. And then you are ready to frame your print. Next, if you'd like to learn more about making your own art prints, I have an entire playlist, all free resources that are going to help you. You can check that out here. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps. See you next time.